What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Elite 5 passive speakers to your home theater setup. So to show you how to set up these speakers, I'm going to be using our very own Bluetooth here, but you can follow the same exact steps with any other 4 ohm home receiver. So the most important thing is that you want to make sure that you're using a 4 ohm receiver because these are 4 ohm speakers. Now if you have a 2 ohm receiver, this means that you can set up 2 of these speakers per left and right channel. But again, because we're using a 4 ohm receiver, this means we can only set up 1 speaker per channel. If you try to set up 2 4 ohm speakers per channel with a 4 ohm receiver, you could risk damaging your receiver and or your speakers. So again, if you have a 2 ohm receiver, you can set up 2 4 ohm speakers per left and right channel. And if you look on the back of your speakers, you'll see the terminals that we're going to be plugging our wires into. So we're going to take one end of our wire here and plug the red wire into this red positive terminal and the black wire into the black negative terminal. So we'll do this with one terminal at a time, starting with this red terminal here. So we're going to push it down, and then we're going to place it right into this terminal like this. Then once we let go, you'll see that it stays connected like that. Then we're going to do the exact same thing with the black wire into this black terminal here. Push down on the black terminal to open it up. Place the wire inside of the terminal. Then we can let go. And now we have both ends connected to the speaker. Then we'll do the exact same thing for our second speaker with the second set of speaker wire. So once you have your speaker wire connected to your speakers, you can take the other end of your speaker wire and connect it to the left and right terminals on the back of your receiver. So again, if you're using a 4 ohm receiver, you can set up 1 speaker per channel. And if you're using a 2 ohm receiver, you can set up 2 of these speakers per left and right channel by parallel wiring these speakers. And we actually have a great video on how to parallel wire your speakers with a home theater setup. So now that I have my speakers connected, I can power on my receiver, connect my smartphone to play some music, and hear how these speakers sound. Nice balance of sound. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your Elite 5 passive speakers with your home theater setup. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.